Hello guys, it's been a while. It's been long I posted and I apologize for my absence. Today I'm going to be showing you an app I've been working on for a while, and this app actually came as a result of my need to do some sharp things with media and seeing them look behind premium price tags online. And so this app has a lot of features and it's been a serious work in progress. Lots of debugging to do, lots of trial and errors, but it's for the first time, or for the second time rather, getting a very good promising shape, and I've been able to use this tool to do a few things in a few contents I was able to create. So here we have our YouTube downloader and our Facebook and Instagram, basically our social media downloader. Here we have our image converter that can convert PNG to JPG and so on and so forth. Video converter can change videos from MP4 to WebM and so on and so forth. Audio converter here as well, video converter that will change video to audio. AI upscaler to increase the size of images. We have the background remover, extract text from images, transcribe speech to text. We have watermark remover, audio splitter, just to name a few of all the apps of all the parts of this wonderful app that will be mainstream soon. It's still a work in progress, but I just wanted to let you know that for those of you who are into content creation and need such tools, being that I am one of you, will be making it possible for you to get value from this app as well. And well, let's do a quick trial with this, and we are going to be picking a video or an audio from let's see, let's pick this audio, but let's first listen to it, and just to be sure that it is suitable for our experiment.
912 ambulance, 75-year-old male, back pain. It's 211 Silver Hollow Road between Lane Road and...
We'll be picking that up and transcribing, and this should be loading here. I guess it's something that we need to check. Okay, let's check our transcription. Okay, successfully transcribed. Okay. Okay, let's confirm it with the audio we have.
Cross Patch Road, repeating, 75-year-old male,
No,
back
from
pain.
Beginning.
Ambulance, 75-year-old male, back pain. It's 211 Silver Hollow Road between Lane Road and Cross Patch Road. Repeating, 75-year-old male, back pain. It's 211 Silver Hollow Road between Lane Road and Cross Patch Road. 0933 5632.
Okay, so we can see that it's an accurate transcription, and this is just one of the features of this wonderful app. We have others here as well. We could, okay, let's take our watermark remover, select an image. Where will I get watermark? Watermark. Or probably will take a video. Okay, this image has a watermark. Yes, we can see the Gemini logo here, and with this cross icon we are going to be able to select that part and click on remove watermark. Okay, so that downloaded. Now let us see the difference between the two images. Okay, so you can see from the below here that this watermark logo that was here isn't there anymore. Okay, so at this point I'll be wrapping up the app. I just want you guys to be expectant that you are going to get this awesome tool, and it's going to be as much value as it has been for me so far for you as well. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.